Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes and happy and continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design showed you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to fashion related any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country. Girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. God bless you. Take care. Bye.